Here we go. Happy Adoption Day to us. Happy Adoption Day to us. Happy Adoption Day, Andrew and Nicole and everybody. Happy Adoption Day to us and many more. We have a very yummy Dairy Queen.
Well, we don't know if it's yummy or not.
It will be yummy. It will be yummy. Don't touch each other. Alright, who's going to blow it out? Go. Yay! We didn't have any candles. I thought I had candles, so all we had was these guys. Which is fine, because Andrew's 4 and Nicole's 3. And let's eat it.
Exactly. Come on.
Mine.
Yummy.
Yeah, let's go, Mom. Come on.
Alright. You want to pour me some coffee?
No. You eat some cake.
Alright, well, we're having a nice Adoption Day dinner. We had roast and potatoes and carrots and rice. After we came back from the swimming, I'm going to post this on the internet for everybody. Yummy! So 2 years ago yesterday, actually.
Turn that off and come cut.
Hush a second. 2 years ago yesterday, we became an official family. Yay! Right, guys? Mm-hmm. They love you. Love everybody back home. Bye. Tell grandmas bye. Grandma Loretta and Grandma Kennedy and Grandma and Grandpa. Well, all of them. Grandpas and... Okay. Bye. Bye-bye, Grandma and Grandpa. Bye-bye, Grandma and Grandpa. We love you guys. Say Grandma Kennedy, Grandpa Kennedy, and Grandma Loretta and Grandpa Lee. And everybody else. Bye.
Bye. Okay, bye.